Yeah, Bana, today, yo. Taxi adventure, driving home. Yeah.
This fucking taxi driver made all of us feel like we were going to fucking lose our lives.
But he actually drove super fuck, nah. It was scary, but he drove super fuck that he dodged peak traffic, going, making 2 lanes, 5 lanes, going around residential areas. I almost had a truck, a bus, and a car almost basically, because I was in the backseat, the back. Drive into us, yo, and yo, they were Grand West on the side going up to the bridge. This nigga is driving off on the pavement, off on the road, sliding through traffic. And I must say, no, I'll take my hat off for the color drivers. They drive cack. But the black drivers, because this is now the second driver that I see driving, and they can fucking drive. Yo, they drive per fuck, young. Like they got us gauw way down through traffic, safe, yes, we script us in our P. But I must say, he drove per fuck, man. Like, yo, this is now the second, like, this is what a taxi driver is supposed to drive. Like, yes, the people in the cars and the trucks and all that stuff, like, were hooting and going crazy because you almost drove into them as well. But this nigga drove, yo. Yo, I take my hat off. Anyways, that's the taxi adventure for today. But, my heart, the taxi is peaceful. My heart, yo. I thought I was dying today. But, anyways, where's Wally's World? Oh, my new logo slogan is, Where's Wally?